Hey everyone, welcome back to Eviida, where wellness is backed by science, not hype. Let me ask you, have you ever tried skipping breakfast because you heard intermittent fasting helps with weight loss? Or maybe you've seen those YouTubers claiming it can reset your body and even make you live longer? But what does science actually say? Today we're breaking down the truth about intermittent fasting, not trends, not fads, but actual evidence from some of the world's leading medical journals, including the New England Journal of Medicine, JAMA, and Cell Metabolism. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what intermittent fasting can do for your body and what it can't. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you believe health should be backed by evidence. First things first, what is intermittent fasting? It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. The most popular method is the 16 to 8 schedule, fasting for 16 hours, eating during an 8-hour window. Some people do alternate day fasting, and others try the 5 to 2 diet, eating normally 5 days, restricting calories on 2. The idea sounds simple. Give your body a break from constant food intake, let it tap into stored energy, and maybe even improve your health along the way. Okay, let's talk weight loss. Because let's be real, that's why most people try intermittent fasting. A 2020 randomized clinical trial published in JAMA, Internal Medicine, tested time-restricted eating in overweight adults. The results? People who did intermittent fasting lost a little weight, but not significantly more than those who ate regularly. So does that mean it doesn't work? Not exactly. Here's the nuance. Intermittent fasting can help you eat fewer calories without counting, but it's not a magic fat-burning switch. And here's the human side. Think of someone who struggles with constant snacking. Having a set window where you can't eat? That structure might actually help them succeed. So yes, fasting can work, but mostly because it helps people reduce overall intake, not because of some secret metabolic trick. Now here's where it gets really interesting. A 2019 review in the New England Journal of Medicine looked at dozens of studies and found intermittent fasting can improve markers like blood sugar control, blood pressure, and cholesterol. That's huge, because even if you don't lose weight, better metabolic health means lower risk of diabetes and heart disease. And in Cell Metabolism, 2018, researchers found that restricting eating to a 10-hour window improved blood pressure, sleep, and insulin sensitivity, even when people didn't cut calories. Imagine this. You're not obsessing over every carb or calorie, but just shifting when you eat. And your body responds with lower blood sugar and better sleep. That's powerful. Okay, what about the bold claims? Does intermittent fasting make you live longer? Animal studies are fascinating here. Mice on fasting regimens live longer, show less inflammation, and even have better brain function. In humans, we don't have 80-year-long trials yet, for obvious reasons, but early studies show fasting may trigger autophagy. That's your body's way of cleaning up damaged cells, which could protect against aging and neurodegenerative diseases. One small trial in Nature Aging, 2021, suggested fasting mimics some effects of calorie restriction, which is linked to longevity. And here's where emotion comes in. Imagine not just living longer, but living better. Sharper mind, healthier body, more energy with your grandkids. That's the promise scientists are investigating. Of course, no health strategy is perfect. Some people report hunger, irritability, or social struggles, like saying no to family breakfast. A JAMA trial even found some participants lost muscle mass when fasting without proper protein intake. And for people with certain medical conditions, diabetes, eating disorders, or pregnancy, intermittent fasting can be risky. So here's the evidence-based truth. Fasting isn't a magic pill. It's a tool. For some, it's life-changing. For others, it's just another diet that's hard to stick with. So let's recap what science really says about intermittent fasting. It may help with weight loss, but mostly by reducing calories. It improves metabolic health, blood sugar, blood pressure, cholesterol. It could have benefits for brain health and longevity, though research is still emerging. But it's not for everyone, and it works best when combined with healthy food choices. Remember, your health deserves more than promises. It deserves evidence. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips, and join our free newsletter in the description below. This is Eviida, life backed by evidence. See you next week.